Good morning, everyone. We are finally back. It's the firearm opener. My entire family's out here. I got the wife, my two boys, and my brothers, my uncles, my dad, and my cousin, and my brother-in-law.
The MC gang.
What I really want this year is for Gavin or my wife to get one. She's been hunting out here for the past 4 years and she's only had one opportunity, so I hope she gets to see a deer or she gets a shot at a deer today. And Gavin, he's been hunting pretty hard since youth season, but nothing for him either. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping Gavin and his mom gets to drop one this morning. Hang on tight. Nah. Alright, made it back to Gavin's. Gavin's mom got too cold, so she came in there with the heater. What happened? What'd you guys see?
Nothing. Over there.
Where, Gavin?
This way.
Why didn't you stop it?
Because it was too thick. I didn't see it. I just heard it. And then it went this way. And then I saw it in that opening.
Bro, that's your only chance. You know?
What?
It's your only chance. You gotta be quick, man. You know? Come on down.
Too quick, nobody saw it.
You guys suck. How far was it from you?
No, it ran, like, it just was on a TV trail and it just went like this, straight that way.
It went that way?
Yeah, it went straight that way.
What time?
9.
What happened, dude?
What do you mean?
What'd you see?
The tail right over there.
Just the tail?
Yeah, running.
Why? Did it hear you?
No, I don't know. It was always running. All the way over there.
It was running the whole time?
Yeah.
What time?
Like 7:30, 7:45.
You sure?
Yes.
Then
I
it's not
didn't
the
check.
same one as yours?
Probably not then. Mine came out around 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's not the same one.
Oh, I don't.
Gavin, yours is probably the same one that came to me this morning.
You have
But
a
yours went
Yeah. Yeah, it came from over me,
Yeah.
over to where I was, Gavin. Because I think it probably heard me and took off. It took off pretty quick, so it probably came from me down to you. Okay, let's go.
It started to run. It kept running.
Yeah, it kept
Yeah.
running.
And then it kept running again until I did.
I think that was...
Here we are. We got 2 for the morning. Good enough. They came up pretty late too. These guys were shot at 9 o'clock and like 9:30. How's your morning, D? What happened?
Cold.
Nothing?
Nope. Very cold.
No?
Good. Me too.
Perfect.
Nothing at all, huh?
You don't see?
We saw
What'd you say?
a black, saw a fawn and a doe.
How far?
Fawn was like 15 yards. And the doe was like 70 yards.
70 yards. How about you? What'd you see this morning?
Nothing.
Nothing, huh?
I see squirrel. The one I saw is the size of
A lot of black squirrels?
and into man.
Why'd you shoot that?
I was gonna shoot it, but on the other side. But I know it's gonna be too loud.
Yeah.
We were there for like 45 minutes.
Yeah, the tail. With it. Swap. Hold on, keep it in your pocket. Joe, you saw what? A doe only?
Saw a doe and $2.
$2. Tiny
And
bucks.
saw
Hey, he didn't shoot any.
saw 2 grouse and like 30 turkeys.
Now he's gonna get yelled at by the old guys for not shooting.
The doe came really quick. The doe looked to nutrition jet, stopped for like 10 seconds and took off again. And then the buck, Lou, too thick, no shot.
Wow, du sang to take now do.
And Lou, they call Lou by John Vince.
ถูกเตะละตัวเลย
Oh, sang do lu ko yo to ya sang pe lu ji no to le sa.
Getting yelled at.
Yo bi hai ko ma chi chu jong to la.
It's okay.
Do.
Good shot.
ที่ 3 ตัวเลย Joe อ่ะ
Oh, this guy is just too bad.
ชีสามตัวเจ็บอีแปลก็มันย้อน
Maybe I could have got 3 today.
ก็ย้อนเลยชั่วโมงมาเลย You old guys gonna yell at you. Gavin หันย่างทางแล้ว เอาตัว เก่งคลาวมาเลยหรือว่าตัวบ้านชิโตเลยเอาตัวอะไร
แล้วแบบเฮ้ยว่าไม่อยู่ you see they say
Eh, tu pas ku jong le tu no sa la. Yo plau tu la. O ja chi chi to no.
你咧美啊，攞你掟我咋？
Ko ba ta ja mo pe no ji ta le ko le da sa na do.
Yeah.
she just a spy เลยก็สา
Do.
There's no
Yo ka pu ke ku yo te pon la.
It's okay. It's okay.
This is it. Bad genes up here. This is why
Ba ke ka ju to ne.
we harvest guys like this. We're in the northern area. So we've been up here for about 8 years now, and this is really all we have up here because there's old deers up here, but really bad genes up here. How about you?
Nothing.
I heard you saw Joe in his box stand. What were you seeing, bro?
Goes, bro.
What'd you see? He saw somebody in Joe's box stand.
Moving around. I'm like, shit.
Dude, it's probably just a squirrel.
That's why I took over.
If it makes you feel better, it's a squirrel. And that lazy bum just woke up. She's just gonna do the evening hunt.
If you hear all those leaves, like if you hear like leaf footsteps, those are I just saw like a group of turkeys go by in front of me. I thought one was I thought the first one was a deer, and then I saw its tail, and then deers don't have that tail, so I thought it was a deer, but it was just a turkey, a group of turkeys, maybe like 5 or 6.
Right here.